So working from home is mainly my life, basically, as a video editor. My number one trick to working from home is organize. Being organized and drinking lots of coffee, basically, to keep myself energized, because I stay up late all night by editing these contents. Well, I'm staying up till 1 o'clock in the morning to about 3 o'clock in the morning. So I'm around the clock, so I need coffee. I need energy and coffee. If I really need to go out to the store, during this time I put a face mask on and wear gloves. Mainly stores I go to is very small, so I don't have to worry about social distancing. Because they're small. Basically, it's a very small town I live in. So my number one trick for you to working from home, whether you are working full-time or if you're a part-timer or a full-timer, and when you're going out to your job and during this time you have to work from home for these circumstances, or if you're an online schooler and you're used to going to school, my number one tip for you is organize. Keep yourself organized. Get a legal pad. I always use a legal pad because, well, for one, it's easy. Get a legal pad or a notepad. Write all your stuff down that you need to get done in that day, and then you won't get bored. You just keep yourself busy. My number 2 is keeping busy. Keeping yourself busy. Just work on your stuff, whether if you're an editor like me, you can do that, or if you want to go outside, you can go for a walk to get away from your work that way, or you can work out, something like that. But all the gyms are closed. You could work out at home. There are lots of apps out there that you could pick and work out from, like the Nike training app. Or if you really don't know how to keep yourself busy, just keep yourself busy by doing. Doing your work and getting your work done during the whole entire time period that you have to be at home. Okay? And my number 3 is drink lots of coffee. Coffee, Red Bull. During this time of the COVID-19, if you want to get the virus, I recommend drinking a V8 Energy. V8 Energy is nothing like Red Bull and Monster. It has your energy and, wait for it, has lots of vitamins and potassium in it. So usually for me, after my second cup of coffee of Scotty P's Big Mug Coffee, you can buy it on Amazon. Link is in the description. Not a sponsor video. After I drink that, I usually drink a V8 every night before I go to bed, because it keeps my mind healthy and it keeps myself healthy, and it keeps me healthy, and I know that I am safe when I drink my V8. Okay? So that is pretty much it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and this is Drinks with Stephanie.